sa isip ng iba, you still own it. Nakatatak ka na doon, ikaw yung founder. Pero paano ba naganap yung sale? Sila ba lumapit? Ikaw ba lumapit? At paano nangyari? At dahil nangganap siya nung 30 years na ang Potato Corner.
Okay. Ang unang-una dyan is we sold part of the company in 2016. So ang maganda pala doon, you sell some to get lang a market di ba, price kasi natuloy yung sale na yon. Then nagkaroon ng parang benchmark ang value ng Potato Corner, which turns out pala was a good thing, no? Para lang magka-value. And then doon na ako nakita. I mean, San Miguel made an offer. Ramon Ang made an offer to buy, which was really nice, no? If I were the only one to decide lang naman, I'd say yes to Ramon Ang. I'd love to be his partner, diba? And let the whole supply chain of San Miguel take care of Potato Corner. That would have been the dream talaga. Hindi lang natuloy yun, sayang. Pero sayang. Because he wanted a certain percentage, hindi nakuha because some shareholders didn't want to sell all. So, and then syempre kung San Miguel na RSA magbibigay ng offer, sasabihin ng iba, okay ito In fact, even the employees of San Miguel thought tuloy na yung benta Kasi nagkaroon ng Potato Corner sa loob ng head office dyan sa Ortigas. They only put their brands inside There was already a Potato Corner. Ramon Ang really wanted Potato Corner.
Nandun pa ba?
Wala na. So, hindi natuloy. So, siguro, the others, hindi naman mag-offer and our financial ratios were to the roof. We were better than many companies because, alam mo, sabi ni RSA, Joma, ganun lang kayo. IP company lang pala kayo Kami, asset light kami, very asset light. So, ibig sabihin, ang ganda ng financial ratios natin. We didn't have to reinvest our money in assets. So then many others look na. Di lang natuloy yung iba. Pero Shakey's magaling, mabilis Tapos siguro, lahat ng documents ready na for di ba? For legal, all the documents are ready, the financial reports are ready, all the legal documents are ready because all these offers and due diligences. So ang bilis lang ng transaction with Shakey's. And Chris po was very, lapit siya sa akin. Jomag, we really like Potato Corner, we'll take care of that. Don't worry about Potato Corner, we'll take care of that.